give a I want to give a quick review of this Pampers baby wipes. These are not non-flushable, so you'll just throw them in your diaper bin. They're fragrance free. It is 99% water. It says Aqua Pure. So these got 56 wipes in it. Good to have these at home and have a little container in your diaper bag too. But they work really good. I won't open it right here. I don't want to open it yet, just for my grandson is getting ready to be born in November, so we grabbed a pack. But I'll wait till then to open it. But if you need some, check them out. It's really good kind of have. If you interested in picking some up, I'll leave a link in the description. So just click on the link below, and it'll carry it over to Amazon, and you can grab you some. Check it out.